I haven't ripped Surgeon since before Christmas. And I'm 9 cards from Master Set. Probably a bad idea, but it needs to be done. We're in to the gold mine. Screw it, we're just going for it. Pikachu! First little tummy luck. Tummy luck. Pikachu! Pikachu, I know you had a good Christmas, but it's time to come out and play. Come on now, buddy. Code card. I need 3 Pikachus to come out of this box. I need an SIR, I need a gold, and I need a full art. We got. There's no way there's an SIR in this freaking pack. Basic Energy, Togetic, Sizzlipede, Bronzor, Applin, Magneton, Lysia's Appeal, Paldean Taurus, Drayton. Wow, we got the one Pikachu I don't need, but I'll take him. It's a sign of things to come.